Okay, hi. This is Ruturaj Subedar. Uh, this is the KT session for the API product for food delivery API product. Welcome to this knowledge transfer session for this food delivery API product. This project enables seamless interaction between customers, restaurants owners, delivery personals, and administrators, ensuring a smooth, efficient food delivery experience over a course of video. I will walk you through the key functionalities, API endpoints, and the logic behind our implementation. Okay, so here we have logged into the uh, Amazon AWS Management Console, where we have created an instance with Ubuntu server. So let's connect this server and turn it on. Okay, so we are connected to the Ubuntu server. Uh, so here, if I run the ls command, we can see our project situated in where www html folder, and our project is this API B group 16. So we'll go to that project, and this project code we are maintaining in our GitHub. We have a repository which is linked to this one, API B group 16, and this repository, there is a master code which is linked to this EC2 server. So the code are in sync. So this project is basically built on Laravel 8 and MySQL. So let's start into it. I will start the Laravel project. Okay, so our server is started. So we'll copy this address and we'll go to the browser to check whether it is working or not. I have copied this. Okay, so refresh this one URL. So database connection successful, so which means our project is running successfully. So I'll copy this our domain, and as it is a API based product, so we'll test its APIs one by one. Okay, so let me open the new tab. First, as I said, there are 4 logins for this project: customer, restaurant owners, and delivery personals, and admin. So first, in this business, what will happen is, like, restaurant people will come up and they will create their account and they will add menu and the items for their business. So our first API will be, I'm going to my route files, where all our routes are defined in the code. So first there are 2 authenticated routes for login actually. So first we will use this register API to register as a customer first. Sorry, as a restaurant owner. So first I will take a payload. So I'm going to copy some bodies actually. So this is the payload for this register API. If I hit it, okay, this is as it is, as this is a post method actually. So while creating a register, we are selecting the roles. So it's the role based access system. So right now we are creating a role for restaurant owner. So I'm logging in as a restaurant owner. So I kept my password confirmation. So the user got created successfully. So for okay, so we'll copy this mail ID and we'll create. We'll log in with that account. So I have logged in as the restaurant owner. So the email ID is restaurant owner. So I'm logging in. Password is password. So once I log in, as it is a post method, once I log in, I'll get a authentication token. As we implemented authentication in our system, in Laravel we are using passport authentication. So we will keep this token for our rest of our URL accesses. So we'll start one by one. In restaurant URLs, we have create URL, menu URL, and adding menu URL, managing menus, deleting them, getting orders, changing order status, and update details and all. We'll start one by one. So as this is for video explanation, I have done most of the logins in my local. So first will be my okay. So we have logged in as a restaurant owner, but we have to create a restaurant for ourselves. So when I went to this create restaurant API, and I added this payload with authentication as bearer token. So it gave me restaurant created already existing, means let me create one more thing, one more time. Yeah, okay. So it created a one restaurant for me and it gave it to me. So once it creates a restaurant, we will go to the next API, which is menu. So we will start adding a menu for our restaurant. Okay. So as usual, we will add the authentication, and the body will be like this. We'll add the name, description, price, and availability. 1 means product is available, and availability 0 means product is not available for sale, for orders. So we have added this item. So this my restaurant ID is 2, and the product menu got created as ID 3. Sorry, 9. So next is updating the menu. Also we can do the update menu is a put method. So as I have created one menu with 9 record, I will update that one, the same login. with all bearer token, and the my payload will be, I will change the price. So I changed the price, and the price became for the cheese pizza as $122 rupees. So like this we can edit the existing menus details. So we can delete the menus also, like the URL is for that is menu delete. So I have created the which one, this ID menu 9. So for testing I will delete eighth one. So it will give me menu deleted cheese pizza, like that it will give the details. So menu got deleted. Okay, so now we'll track the orders. So for tracking orders I will log in as a customer first. So for the customer there are four functionalities. Usually for customer will log in, and customer will get the, so okay, so customer 9999, I will create a one account. So I will register myself as customer 999, and I will log in as a customer 999. So I'll get the authentication token for that customer, same as the, so this is the same routes which I am using to log in for multiple roles actually. So to get restaurants for me, I will do the authentication for the API restaurant part, where I will, when I hit this one, I will get the restaurants around me. So I got two restaurants, one, two, but this one restaurant just now we have added, and another one was existing. So like this we can get the restaurant. So once you the customer gets restaurants, he will try to browse through the menu with this menu search option. In this menu API we have query parameter and restaurant ID. Based on the restaurant ID and the query search, we can filter on the products like this. So we got this one fries actually. So after that, what the customer will do is he'll try to place the order. We'll take the customer restaurant 2 as a uh, base thing actually. Okay, so there is a API order endpoint to place the order for customers. So I'll list this, I'll put, and I'll put my shipping address and payment mode. So this order got placed, as you see, successfully. User details, everything it is giving with the customer 6. Yeah, customer 999, which we have created just now. So it created a record for me and we can track this order also through the order ID. Our order ID is 15. So there's an endpoint for to track the order is API order track. I'll put my order ID. As you see, order ID is invalid. Let me check. Menu ID, user ID, user details is 16. Okay, authentication we have to put. Okay, we have added the authentication. So it will give me my order tracking. So my order is currently is in pending status. The total amount is 39 from the new restaurant which we have created. So like this we can track our order also. So this is the flows for customer. So what happened is customer just now placed an order, and that order went to the restaurant now. So what restaurant will do is he will fetch his all orders. So whatever the order he have received, he will fetch his. So So recent order what he received is my order, which is order number, yeah, 15, correct, 15, order number 15 which I have received. It is in currently pending status. So what restaurant will do is they have a status update endpoint where they will set that order to, I'll put my order ID as 15. We will set this as accepted. So restaurant will accept the order. So once they accepted it, the status will become as accepted. So if I see in my order tracking also, once I hit this, the status will come as accepted for customer also. So when restaurant done with preparing its order, they can change the status to ready for delivery and preparing. So once they accept the order, they will start preparing the order. Okay, with the preparing status. Once the order gets prepared by a restaurant, what they will do is they will put the status as ready for delivery. So once they put the status as ready for delivery, this order ID 15 gets the status as order status as ready for delivery. So once it gets ready for delivery, now the part comes of delivery agents. So what delivery agent will do is they will get the notification based on the order which have status as ready for delivery. So first API for delivery partner is view available deliveries. So delivery endpoint will go to the rest. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll log in as delivery agent, and here this as, we can do the authentication check if you are forgetting. Okay, so for delivery agent role is delivery personnel, that I will add, and I will create on record, and that Gmail is this, and I will log in with that Gmail, and I will get a token for delivery personal account. Okay, so as I got the delivery personal account, now I will apply authentication for the view orders for delivery. So this guy got logged in, and he have some multiple orders on ready for delivery status. So this order number 15 which we have placed, and restaurant placed it, prepared it, and sent it for ready for delivery. Now what the delivery agent will do is he will check this status is, and he will go to accept order endpoint. Accept order endpoint. He'll go to accept order endpoint. Okay, we'll do authentication, and we'll put it is accepting order ID, and I have added the order ID as 15. Now I want to accept this order for delivery. Okay, so this order got confirmed for delivery, and delivery status is pending. It's not order status, it's delivery status, I'm repeating. So delivery status is pending. So once the delivery status gets pending, delivery agent will travel to the address of the customer, and he will try to deliver the order. So this endpoint will give us one delivery ID also. Through that, delivery agent can update the status of the order. So our delivery ID is 10, and we'll check our validation, what and all it is accepting. We have to add authentication first for that delivery agent personal account. So we have done with this. So body is delivery agent ID 10. So it is selling only Okay, so pickup, en route, and delivery delivered, these traces can only be updated by the delivery personnel. So once delivery agent reaches to the restaurant, what he will update the status to pickup. He'll update the status to pickup. Okay, yeah, so it's pickup. Next, once he pickups, he will put the status to en route actually. So once the en route he puts, it will update the status to en route. So once the en route happens, and once the customer reaches to the customer, they leave word, he'll put the status. Once the customer reaches the order, he'll put the status as delivered, so and submit. So order will gets delivered. So the order will be moved out of the delivery agent's cart. So here, as it is reached to customer can see here the delivery status of the order as delivered from his order tracking system. Okay, so like this, all the three flows I have explained: customer, how customer will place order, how restaurants will add items and menus, how customer will browse through that and place the order, how the delivery agent will pick the orders and placed. This is all the endpoint our endpoints are doing. So next we'll go to the admin login actually. So we have created one master record for our admin login, which is uh, admin, and password is password. So we will log it in as admin account. So now I will go through the routes of admin, how admin can control over these three logins. So first, our admin account route is checking the users, how many users he have. Oh yeah, okay. So admin view all users actually. Users actually. Okay, so authentication will put as admin login. So once I hit, I'll get all the details of admin users. Admin, let me check. Admin users, manage users. Okay, I have missed. So we'll go back to our admin view all users. We'll add the missing authentic. So this is why we should not miss our single word character of our authentication key. So once I put the right key, I will get all the users. We have a users table in our MySQL database where we are storing all the role of our users. Like this is a customer user, and this is a restaurant owner user, and this is the admin user, and this is delivery personal user. So we have so admin have all the access for that. Along with that, he have the access to create a new user also. So I'm putting one example, new user by admin. So once I put this here, now I am going to create a customer. So if I hit this, I will get a new customer record created in the users table as a customer. Yeah, see, this got created new user by admin. And this have authentic validations also. If I try to enter the same email, it will give email already exist. So next we'll go to the update user. So this recent we have created one user with the ID 18. So I want to admin have the access to alter the data of that user also. So I'm putting that 18 record. I'm putting one new name for our testing, and mail also I'm changing. And password is new password 123. So yeah, the user updated successfully with name and email and passwords. Record will be same, role will be same, and even admin have access to delete that user also. So we created a new 18 user. If I hit it, user got deleted successfully. If I go back and hit the all user ID, yeah, from here 18 record got deleted. And okay, so rest, what admin can do is he can generate some reports also, like um, we'll go to the report API. There are some set of reports which he can generate actually. Yeah, first we'll put authentication, and our body should be a report type. It is expecting the report type. Let me give a wrong payload so we can see which kind of reports it is expecting. So it is expecting most popular restaurant, average delivery time, order trends, this kind of report type it is expecting. So let's browse with most popular restaurants, like which are the most popular restaurant. Okay, once I hit this endpoint, I got a most popular restaurant list. Restaurant 1 have 8 orders and restaurant 2 have 7 orders. So like this we can generate a report of 3. Okay, this is about the reports, and admin can also fetch the all the orders of all the restaurants, like this is now our ID is, our admin token is, we'll put the admin token to get all the orders. Okay, so order fetches successfully. It will give admin all the orders pending or accepted, delivery, everything it will give. So this is about the orders. Suppose there is an order with the delivering status with order ID 1. So admin have access to change the order status also, like there is a order status endpoint. I have this order 1 and I will put the authentication for this also, and I am put the payload deliver as a delivered for order 1. So I hit this, so it got delivered. Let's check. Yeah, it got delivered. So admin like this he can alter the status also. So yeah, this is about the our product which is built on Laravel system, which have all the features. Using this APIs we can even develop the web browser to app browser, any kind of UI system we can develop through this APIs. So, and this is hosted on EC2 as you can see. So this is all about our API based food delivery system. So like okay, so this concludes the KT session on the food delivery API product. We have covered all the major modules: restaurant, customers, delivery personals, and administrator, and explain the design, logic, testing process. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to my Bits mail ID. My name is Rutra Subedar. Thank you for your time. I hope this session helps you to understand the API product in depth.